What if I told you the smallest room in your house could become the biggest turning point of your life? Yes, I'm talking about that forgotten, dusty little closet, the one packed with old coats, tangled cables, and boxes you haven't opened in years. Imagine turning that space into your personal business headquarters, a creative corner where ideas come alive, deals are made, and dreams start to take shape. It sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, greatness doesn't need space, it needs vision. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because after this video, you'll never look at your tiny closet the same way again. Step 1. The mindset shift. From storage to startup. Everything begins with perspective. Most people see a closet as a place to hide clutter, but visionaries see it as potential space. The first step isn't physical, it's mental. Ask yourself, what do I really need to build my business? A laptop, a notepad, a small desk, and focus. That's it. You don't need a huge office or fancy decor. Step 2. The great declutter. Now comes the satisfying part. Removal. Take everything out of the closet. Every box, every hanger, every forgotten item. This isn't just physical decluttering, it's emotional release. Because every item you remove creates mental space too. As you go through each item, ask yourself, does this belong in my future workspace? Step 3. Design your vision board. Before you bring anything back, visualize. What's the vibe you want? Cozy and minimalistic? Sleek and modern? Maybe earthy and inspiring? Take a notebook or your phone and jot down ideas. Add Pinterest references. Imagine where your laptop will go, how lighting will fall, and where your inspiration wall could be. Step 4. The smart setup. Function meets creativity. Now let's bring your vision to life. Start small. Add a compact desk, something that fits snugly into the space. Mount a few floating shelves to hold notebooks, files, and decor. Use vertical space smartly, hooks, magnetic strips, or pegboards for tools or cables. Step 5. The tech corner, your mini power hub. Every business HQ needs efficiency. So, invest in small but powerful tools. A laptop stand for ergonomic comfort. A wireless keyboard and mouse to free up desk space. When you organize tech smartly, your closet HQ transforms from a small corner into a control center. Step 6. The aesthetic touch. Because energy matters now comes the emotional heartbeat of your workspace, the design. Add 1 or 2 elements that make you feel alive. A small plant. A motivational quote. A framed photo of your goal. Step 7. The illusion of space. Tiny tricks, big difference. Here's a secret interior designers use. Perception is everything. Add a mirror to reflect light and make your closet feel double its size. Use light-colored paint or wallpaper to open up the area visually. And if you can, install a small curtain or sliding door instead of a bulky hinged one. Step 8. The emotional payoff. Small space, big purpose. Now take a step back. Look at what you've built. It may be small in size, but it's huge in meaning. Because this isn't just a closet anymore. It's a symbol of your resourcefulness. It's proof that you don't need perfect conditions to start. You just need to start. Step 9. The productivity ritual. To make this workspace truly yours, build a ritual around it. Maybe you light a small candle before starting work. Maybe you play one specific playlist when you sit down. Or maybe you write your goals for the day on a sticky note before you begin. These small rituals signal to your brain, this is work mode. They help you focus faster and work smarter. Conclusion. The power of starting small. When people see your tiny HQ, some might laugh. They'll say it's too small, too cramped, too basic. But what they won't see is the fire inside that space. So take that step, clear that space, build your HQ, and prove that greatness doesn't need room, it just needs you. If this story sparked something in you, that little fire to create, to build, to start, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I'll keep sharing ideas that help you transform your space, your mindset, and your life.